Rambo, come here. Tell them what to do. Like and subscribe. Hello, Chip and Leroy here.
We got a little special video. You can probably tell we're in the T-Bird, but most importantly, you got to do what Rambo said. Please subscribe so we can keep making fun videos and stuff, and maybe make even more fun ones. So yeah, I was thinking we'll do a little POV drive in it. It's 61 years old.
Me, I'm 56 years old. Damn!
So it's my grandfather's car. Now my dad usually drives it, but he let me drive it today. And he's in the old Mustang today, so we switched places. So yeah, I guess we'll get started, and I'll put the camera on my head. Okay, so now we got the POV going. Right? Now, this car, for 61 years old, is pretty advanced. It's got electric windows, factory AC, power seats, and it even comes with a Leroy.
Damn, what is that, bro?
What do you think?
I wouldn't want that.
Oh no, the cops are chasing us.
Oh God.
We gotta get away. So this car is the same engine as the Bullet Mustang. It's got a 390 in it. Leroy is looking out for the cops.
I think this car's trying to drop me.
Probably. It's a nice day out too.
Yeah,
Oh, it might be fire.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we made it. So what do you think, Leroy? Ride's nice, right?
It does.
It's like very boaty.
Ooh. Bodie.
It's like very like you hit a bump and you're just like doo doo doo. You're on a cloud.
I've got the fire extinguisher.
Hopefully we don't need that.
Well, yeah.
That would be a pretty bad day.
But you always want to be prepared.
Yeah. Better safe than sorry. Yeah, like on the turns when you turn it, it's like doo doo. It's like ancient. It's like kind of giving you like a little shoulder throw. I don't know how to describe it.
It's 9th three-pointer of the game already. It's
You got anything to say?
Me?
Yeah, what do you
Look
think?
at the water.
Wow.
Not really. The compass is cool.
I think my grandfather put that in.
Oh, it's in
I don't think that was a factory option. Oh, we do have the window sticker somewhere. I think it's in the trunk, or the bill of sale, or the window sticker. We have something with it. I don't know if they had window stickers then,
The
or
mirrors are so tiny.
yeah, it actually didn't come with a side passenger side. We added that.
Oh, wow.
I don't think they did back then, but it's so easy to see out of like the old cars. You can just see right out of them. I mean, probably because there's not all the airbags and safety features, but less likely to get in an accident if you can see, so it's a trade-off. No seat belts in this car because it's from 1962, right? Yeah, hold on, right? But it rides really nice. It's quite the cruiser. Oh, more ambulances or fire trucks or something. So yeah, we're going to like the Oak Beach car meetups. That's like a local beach by us. See some stuff.
Such a nice day.
Yeah. Make sure you like so we can get that Corvette.
Like and subscribe.
And subscribe. We're looking at a yellow 2006 Corvette Z06. Come on, tell him, Leroy. about it. Hopefully not just stalling, but just thinking about it. Think about it, the plate. 8 characters. L, J, E, N, K, Z, 06. L Jenks. Z, not another Z, but 06. Be a fun car. I think they're gonna go up in value too. And they don't make them like they used to. Like an old timer cruising. I think this actually has power brakes too. It says power brakes right on the brakes. So pretty sure that means they're power brakes.
That's good.
It has the swing away steering wheel too, which obviously I can't use right now because we're driving, but
Yeah.
I don't think you can once it's in drive anyway.
Oh, really?
Not that I've ever tried to, but
Maybe I wanted to steer.
did you really?
Yeah. Fireworks spectacular. July 4th.
Say, what do you guys think in the comments? What do you think of the old style? I feel like this has held up very well. Like, it looks, I mean, I'm not gonna say modern, but it looks nice. It's like quality, the steering wheel's a nice material, very big, skinny. All right, we gotta get over in that middle lane, turn signal, check those mirrors, those very nice mirrors.
Lincoln's pencil.
The giant pencil. That's actually a Washington monument.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
You didn't know that? Wow, that's
No.
for President George Washington.
Sure.
Alright.
So
Performance
after-
car, hard on the brakes, right? I think it's actually 4-wheel drum. I could be wrong. I don't know if the front is disc. I think it's 4-wheel drum. Oh, look at the Ferraris. Oh, thanks. Alright. Okay.
Aren't they supposed to hear?
Yep. They are.
Okay, so after we go, we're going to do this obstacle course over here. Show them the obstacle course.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Obstacle course.
So Chip's gonna go all the way to the top and then zip line across.
Is that what Chip's gonna do?
Yeah, and Leroy will be at the bottom, just watch.
Oh, waiting to catch me in case I fall?
I think we have a hard
Oh, I didn't know you were gonna let me put that on. Oh, here comes an older car. Oh, they want to race. We got some crazy drivers out today. Just trying to do my old man style, just tool around on Sunday, but looks like we got those dang kids out today. Dang kids.
Blasted meddling kids.
God, you can't go anywhere nice. Got a big block in it, Leroy.
Is this the window?
Yeah, you want me to lower it for you? I got it on this side. Which one is this? I'm not just. It's a different time. Left front, right front. Look at that. Power windows.
They do go down pretty fast.
They do go down pretty fast. I don't know if they come up that fast, but they do go down pretty fast. Alright, Leroy. Should we test the, a little acceleration in it?
Sure.
Alright, so it's a
Should I hold
390.
on?
I don't know. Let's see. It's got some pickup. It's got some pickup. I mean, I think the car weighs like, it's a pretty heavy car. I have to check, but it's a heavy car. Maybe I'll throw it up on screen. Look at those edits.
Quality edit.
So I guess we'll put this on pause until we get there, and we'll show you some of the cars there, but definitely comment on some other things you'd like to see, especially if you want to see some more stuff with this car. And yeah, we'll show you some of the other cars there. It looks like a lot of cars are out today, so probably be a nice day. And hopefully there's parking. Yeah, we'll see you there. All right. When we got to Oak Beach, it was closed, so we ended up going to a different beach. And while there, we found out there was an accident the previous month, and they had it closed down for a crime scene. So we just went here, and there wasn't really that many cars. There were some like exotic ones when we were pulling in that were leaving, but yeah, there weren't really that many there. So I'll include the footage that we took if you would like to see. But thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing and dropping a like on this video. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.